In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price discount for first 10 sales on Gumroad. First, open your Gumroad dashboard and sign in. On the left sidebar, find checkout, then open the discounts section. This is where all coupon settings live and where you'll create the limited time, limited quantity offer for your first 10 sales. Click New Discount to start a fresh coupon. Begin by giving your discount a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, something like First 10 Sales Launch. Your customers won't necessarily see this name, but it keeps your dashboard organized. Next, set the discount code. This is the exact text customers will enter at checkout, so keep it short, memorable, and easy to type. Avoid special characters and make sure it matches any promo graphics or emails you plan to send. Choose which products the discount should apply to. You can target specific products, or if this is a shop-wide launch incentive, you can choose all products. Double-check your selection so the coupon only appears where you intend. If you're promoting a single item, stick to that product to prevent unexpected discounts elsewhere. For products that have multiple versions or tiers, make sure you've selected the correct one to avoid confusion at checkout. Now enter the discount amount and choose whether it's a percentage or fixed discount. Percentage reduces the price by a set percent, like 20% off, which scales across different price points and is great for a varied catalog. Fixed reduces the price by a specific amount, like $5 off, which can be ideal for lower priced items. Pick the option that fits your offer and type in the value. A quick tip: check your product's base price so you don't accidentally discount it more than intended. Open the settings for this discount. To limit the promo to the first 10 sales, set the quantity limit to 10. This caps the number of successful redemptions and ensures the deal ends automatically after the 10th purchase, without you needing to monitor it manually. If you want time-based control, set the validity period so the code starts and ends on specific dates. You can also enable the option to limit the discount to existing customers only, which is helpful for rewarding returning buyers. Set a minimum qualifying amount if you want the coupon to apply only when the cart total reaches a certain price. You can also set a minimum quantity, which requires customers to purchase more than one unit before the discount kicks in. When everything looks good, click Add Discount to save it. I recommend testing the code in a private window to confirm it behaves as expected, and then share the code clearly wherever you promote the product. And that's it. Your first 10 sales discount is ready to go.